Hello and welcome to 1157 Hulon Lane, located here in West Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a patio and also a fully fenced in backyard. Let's go take a look. All right, we can make our way on the side of the home. Here is the side of the home. You have your water spigot right here to the right, and then you have your fenced in backyard. You have your patio and also your storage closet right here as well. And then you have your slide door that leads into the eat-in portion of the kitchen. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, as soon as you come in through the front door, you have your staircase that leads to the 2 bedrooms and 1 bath upstairs. But if you make a left right here off of the front door, you have your living room, nice size living room. You have your fireplace right here. Also, you have your carpet. And you have a closet right there. And then you have 2 windows right here that look out into the front of the neighborhood. This door right here, that's where your water heater is. And here is the first bathroom. You have your single vanity right here. And then you have your stand-up shower. All right, coming out of the bathroom, straight across, you have your kitchen. Very nice kitchen. You have your cabinets right here. And then you have your dishwasher right there and also your stove. It does have a garbage disposal. And then you have your refrigerator right here as well. That back door, the slide door, is what I mentioned earlier in the video, that leads out to the backyard. And also you have your eat-in portion of the kitchen right here. Also in the kitchen, you have your double door access to the laundry room, which fits a full-size washer and dryer. And we're going to make our way back through the kitchen into bedroom number 1, located right here to the left. You have your ceiling fan right here. And then you have your hardwood floors. It actually complements the color fairly nicely. And to the left, you have your closet and also a back window that looks out into the backyard. And this bedroom is right beside the kitchen. We're going to come out of here and make our way back through the living room and make our way upstairs. All right, we are now upstairs. First door to the left, you have bedroom number 2. Pretty good size bedroom in here as well. You have your window that looks out into the front of the neighborhood. And also you have another window right here. Also, it is carpeted in here as well. And this door is your walk-in closet. Coming out of bedroom number 2, you have bathroom number 2. Same style as bathroom number 1. You have your single vanity right here. And you also have your sink, toilet, and also your shower and tub combo. And finally, you have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 does have a ceiling fan in it as well. And also you have your AC unit in the window right there as well. And also that looks out into the side portion of the yard. And you have your closet right there as well. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. The address is 1157 Hulon Lane, located here in West Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, very nice home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.